In this video, I'll be showing you how you can activate ghost mode on Snapchat. It is super simple. This works on both Android and iPhone. So first of all, what you need to have open is Snapchat, like so. Then from here, you need to go down to the location tab in the bottom left corner. From here, you need to go up to the settings tab, like so, and click on ghost mode. And then you have the opportunity to do it within 3 hours, within 24 hours, or until I turn it off. So I'm just gonna click it for 3 hours for now. And as you can see, now nobody can watch me. I can also put it down here. And as you can see, my emoji man has a sign up on to its face. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!